Yo, what's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over BTC. Guys, I've been getting some comments. Can you do so-and-so coin every single day, make a video? I'm not putting out as many videos because I'm always trading, but I do give daily analysis, and my VIP rooms are completely free. Here's our last week of crypto trades, 10 weeks, 10 wins, 1 loss. Up 403% in profit. We're already killing it this week. Multiple trades have hit take profit. We just crushed it on GMT this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, you can gain access at the end of the video completely for free. So BTC, quickly, we're going sitting at 66.2. We're down 2.6 on the day. Market cap 1,299 billion, basically 1 trillion, 24-hour 105 billion. Let's hop to the chart. So potentially looking to go through an ABC correction. This is scenario 1 because we just have 3 waves up, where this is the top of your wave 5, and basically what you would be looking at is you're coming down in a wave A. That's a wave B pullback. Come down in a wave C in between 47K and 58.9K. If we were to create a 5-wave move, create one more higher high, then yes, you can push up to the top of this range at 72.8K. But as of right now, looking at some of the altcoins and looking how overextended the market is, as well as we are in extreme greed. Greed is just, the FOMO right now is absolutely insane. So it makes sense to see that pullback in the wave 4 in between 47K and 58.9K. But if we do push higher, create a 5-wave move off this low, we just have 3 waves right now, then watch right around 72.8K. So here it is on another chart. Let me just make sure everything lines up. 47.58, 47.59. Yeah, very good. So this is what we're looking at. If we do pull back from here to bounce from this wave 4 pullback zone, if we zoom out, let me zoom out, show you guys the wave count off the low. This will be the last pullback before we already broke the previous all-time high before the halving, which is historical, but before we head up to the 70 to 80K range. So we have a wave 1 off the low, wave 2 pullback, just completing the wave 3 potentially. Pullback in the wave 4 in between 47.6, 58.9. Your last chance to get into altcoins at really good prices, and then start to push up, break the all-time high, head up towards the 70 to 80K range. It's funny when you're doing analysis during the bear market and it's so gloomy, and then all of a sudden you completely forget about it because you're back in the bull market and prices just absolutely exploding to the upside. But pullback will come. You can see here on the weekly, if we pull back from this to this target zone, it will allow us to catch up to the weekly 20 EMA, which we've broken far away from, and we're extremely overbought on the weekly time frame, so it would be healthy to see some pullback. Ladies and gentlemen, we're crushing it every single day in the Discord, just crushing it every day. Profits. Last week results, 10 wins, 1 loss. We're also trading Forex. If you want completely free access, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX through my link. You get 10% back on your fees. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, or MEXC. But MEXC, you have to use a VPN in North America. But for everyone in North America who don't want to use a VPN, BITUNIX is the play. Sign up through my links. Make your first deposit. It can be $10, $100. It doesn't matter. I don't charge for my trade signals. I don't need your money. I just want to help you reach financial freedom. Send me email. I'll give you completely free access. For people who are asking me to make videos on their favorite coins every day, I drop analysis daily on all the coins I cover in the channel, plus more. My exact crypto trade setups. Look at this, 10 wins, 1 loss last week. We're crushing it this week already. Crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex trade signals every single day. Trading crypto, trading Forex, Mahalo all plays over 2,000. How much we got? How many members we have in the Discord? 2,700. We just passed the 2,700 mark. All links down below. Basic access is free, and then sign up to one of the exchanges and send me an email, and I'll give you access to my VIP rooms. That's it for today. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Remember, if you want daily analysis on your favorite coin, I am most likely covering it. Coins like Gala, Solana, Matic, XRP, ADA, all kinds of different coins, Ethereum, Bitcoin. But I'm not going to be making videos every day because I am trading all the time. All links down below. Smash up the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Much love. Take care.